2.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today, you guys have already read the title. I am here in Delhi to attend Google's latest launch for the Pixel 11 series, and I thought it's been a long time since I have done a vlog here on the main channel. So why not take you guys along? I have finally checked into the hotel. I had a late afternoon flight and I have finally reached Gurgaon where we are staying for the night. I thought let me just shoot the intro for this vlog and show you guys the behind the scenes of how a tech event usually happens. Let's just do a quick little room tour so that I can show you guys the room that I am staying at. So over here, this is where it starts and you've got a separate shower and a bathtub. So that is good. Moving again towards in, you've got this giant mirror which is going to be nice for getting mirror selfies. And finally, we have the double bed and a pretty decent view of Gurgaon. And so many cars, just a lot of movement happening around. It is only around 5:45 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and just relax for a bit. Good morning everyone. Finally, the day of the event is here and I am all dressed up, as you guys can see. Now it is time to head into Google's office and start looking at the new Pixel 11 series. I am super excited. So we've already had breakfast. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and check out. For that, let's do a quick outfit check. The new phones come in a sort of pinkish hue. So I think this t-shirt is going to look particularly good with that. But yeah, I am super excited. I just have to finish packing my things a little bit. Then I'm going to check out from the hotel and we will go to Google's office. So let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, look who we have here, Mr. Harsh Punjabi.
What's up, bro? कैसा भाई?
All good, भाई.
क्या ब्लॉग कर रहे हो?
हाँ, इसका सोचा मैंने that I will cover it a little bit.
और ब्लॉग हिंदी में है कि इंग्लिश में?
ये वाला पार्ट हिंदी में हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, but normally it's
But it's English only.
What if I talk Marathi?
Yes, talk in Marathi. I'll talk in Bengali. I'll talk in Bengali. Balo aaju. Wow. All right, folks. We have finally reached the briefing. And Harsh bhai is in front of me. We've got a small goodie bag. We finally have the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and honestly the main highlight feature this year about this is actually the highlight feature, which is the light over here at the back. Basically this is an array of 8 LEDs and it lights up whenever you get a phone call from a contact or when you wake up Google Gemini. So there's a light and it's gonna glow. You can turn it on, you can use it with Gemini and for calls from favorite contacts. The regular Pixel 11 camera bar this time around is extremely thin, so that looks very nice. And you get some very nice colors over here, as you can see. We get to see 4 new devices. There's a regular Pixel 11, 11 Pro, XL, and finally the 11 Pro Fold. Base one doesn't really have a lot of different changes. There is a slightly improved main camera sensor and a slimmer camera module, but the new highlight feature as well as the better telephoto, everything is on the Pro and on the Pro XL. The Fold also has like pretty minor improvements, but the Pro has a brighter 3600 nit display. All of this is powered by the Tensor G6, 50% more powerful TPU for AI performance. I think I had a lot of fun looking at all of these new devices here. Next step is obviously going to be getting these devices into the studio and then checking them out for you guys. Just got done with the event. So guys, we are here in the experience slash lunch area. Naman bhai, say hi.
Hi. Oh, sorry. But I'll show you the OG Pixel.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh wow. And I found the same watch. Mine is the orange and his is the navy, I think.
Black.
And his is the black. So all three colors. Seiko, if you're watching this, maybe try and look into tech creators. We are into mechanical stuff. Yes, please call us to Japan. I'm going to end the vlog here. After this, we'll just head straight to the airport after everything is done. So I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys did enjoy it, drop a comment. If you recognized a creator that you follow, drop a comment. And Anubhav signing out. Take care and bye-bye.